Not all currency pairs are created equal. Traders split them into three groups: majors, minors, and exotics. And the difference matters for your spreads, your risk, and how predictable the price action is. Major pairs all include the US dollar on one side, paired with the other biggest global currencies: Euro, British pound, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, and Australian dollar. Think Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. These are the most heavily traded pairs on the planet. That means tight spreads, deep liquidity, and generally smoother price action. Minor pairs, also called cross pairs, involve two major currencies but no US dollar. Think Euro GBP or GBP JPY. Liquidity is still solid, but spreads are usually a bit wider than the majors, and moves can be a touch choppier. Exotic pairs pair a major currency with a currency from a smaller or emerging economy, something like USD TRY, the Turkish lira, or USD ZAR, the South African rand. These have much lower liquidity, which means wider spreads and bigger, less predictable price swings. News from smaller economies can also cause sudden, sharp moves. Here's the practical takeaway for beginners. Start with majors. The tight spreads and predictable behavior make them far more forgiving to learn on. Save minors for once you're comfortable, and treat exotics with real caution. The wider spreads alone can eat into your profits before you even factor in the higher volatility.